please close your eyes and take a slow, deep, long breath. Just take a slow, deep, long breath. And as you take a slow, deep, long breath, find yourself in an open space. Find yourself in an open space. And when you find yourself in this open space, you make sure you lie down there. It's a comfortable, relaxing, open space. You lie down there. Feel yourself lying down in this open space. And let your focus be drawn to the diseased part of your body, if you have a diseased part. If not, then let your focus be drawn to a part of your body that is your concern. Or maybe it is also a part of your body that you may not even like. Just get in touch and let your focus be automatically drawn to that particular part of your body as you lie down. If you look in there, if you look into this part of your body, you will have a feeling of something missing there. Maybe it feels empty, as if something was there in this part of your body and now it's not there. It feels empty. Something is missing. Feel the emptiness. Feel the missing. Keep feeling the emptiness. Keep feeling the missing. Now slowly feel as if your energy keeps moving in a certain direction in that open field, open space. As if you are slowly traveling and journeying towards finding that missing part of yours, which once occupied that part of your body. Embark on this journey to find your missing part. Keep going further and further, whichever direction you feel like, whichever direction your energy takes you to find that missing part of your body. Somewhere far, far away, you begin to see a small child. This was the part that went missing. Go closer to this child and get an impression of how old it is. Keep going closer and closer. And get an impression of how old it is. This is a missing part of you. You may have somehow lost it. You look at this child and as you draw closer, tell the child, "I'm so sorry. I have missed you. I'm sorry I did not know you existed. We must have gone through a lot. You are such a valuable and important part of me. You must have gone through a lot to disconnect from me. I want you to know that I have come for you. I want you to know that I love you. And slowly feel the child's response. Get an impression of how the child responds back to you. Maybe there is something that the child wants from you. Let the child express what it truly wants. And you make a commitment that yes, whatever you want, I will do it. I will give it to you. I will make it happen for you. And you allow the child to come closer and slowly allow them to step into that part of your body from where this child went missing. It is perhaps the diseased part or the part that concerns you or the part that worries you. Let the child step into that part and you feel this sense of connection with this lost part of yours. Maybe even put your hand on that body part if you can. And tell this body part, we are finally full. We are finally connected. We are no longer scattered. We are finally full. There's no more emptiness here. And keep connecting with this body part. And feel the child within. Let the child know that this particular part of your body is their safe space. They can safely reside in this part of your body from where they went missing. And you take another slow, deep, long breath and breathe into the center of your body. And once you feel fully connected, fully present, fully aware of your body, your feet on the ground if possible, your hands on the bed, on the chair, on the table, wherever your hands can touch, grounding your body completely. That is when you slowly open your eyes.